Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make a perfect burrito. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need a large, fresh tortilla, ideally 10 to 12 inches wide, to hold all your delicious fillings. Next, decide on your protein, perhaps some savory seasoned beef or tender shredded chicken. Don't forget the rice, beans, cheese, and a vibrant salsa to complete your flavor profile. Now let's move on to assembling your masterpiece. Start by gently warming your tortilla. This makes it much easier to fold without tearing. Lay it flat and spread a thin base layer of beans or rice down the center. Then, add your protein, ensuring it's centered and not overstuffed. Evenly distribute your cheese, salsa, and any other desired toppings, leaving about 1/4 of the tortilla clear on the edges. The rolling technique is crucial for a perfect burrito. Begin by folding the two opposite sides of the tortilla inward, just enough to cover the edges of your fillings. Next, bring the bottom edge of the tortilla up and over the folded sides, tucking it in tightly. Use your fingers to keep the fillings compact as you roll the burrito forward, maintaining a firm, even pressure until it's completely sealed. Finally, let's talk about the finishing touches. For an extra layer of texture, you can lightly grill or pan-fry your rolled burrito until it's golden brown and slightly crispy. This also helps to seal it even more. For a classic presentation, cut your burrito in half diagonally. Serve it immediately with your favorite sides like extra salsa, creamy guacamole, or cool sour cream. Enjoy your perfectly crafted meal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.